Hello guys, my name is Pawan. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be going to do a full review about the Droid custom ROM, which is based on Android 9.0, which I recently installed on my Redmi Note 5 device. So I'll be dividing this review between the pros and cons so that you can decide whether you have to install this Droid custom ROM on your device or not. So without wasting the further time, let's get started. So first, talking about the pros of this custom ROM, the first thing that I like about this ROM is the stability. Yes guys, this ROM is well stable and can be used as a daily driver without any issues. And the calling was working fine, the Wi-Fi was also working fine, the Bluetooth was also working fine. Let me just show you. The Bluetooth turned on and the Wi-Fi is also working fine. I just didn't connect it to anything guys, but I'll show you. It's showing that it is connected. Sorry, it shows that the available resources around you. And the mobile data is also working fine, so SIM card has no issues. The call reception was also fine. I did not face any issues regarding the volt, and the flashlight is also working guys. As you can see, the flashlight is also working, no issues. Because when I installed the AOSP based on Oreo, I was not getting the option of flashlight. So in this one there is no issue about that. So this ROM seems to be good, and the hotspot is also working fine. No issues regarding that also, aeroplane mode, etc. So the basic functions are working without any issues. The volt is also working, so no need to worry about that. And second thing that I liked about this device is the customization. Since it is the custom ROM guys, it should have some of the other additional features that it should provide apart from the stock OS or the MIUI. So for that we should go to the options called Droid settings, which you will find tons of customizations that you can do as per your wish. So I didn't test all of this, but yes, I did some of this, like switching the LTE button to 4G. This is a good option, but I don't find it much useful because it doesn't matter to me a lot. If it matters for you, then you can enable this. And these are some of the settings that you can do in order to tweak your OS, which most of the vendors do not provide. It is only unlocked only for Droid. I saw these many settings only for Droid as far as my demands are concerned, because I didn't try more OSs. Like I tried AOSP, Droid, Arrow OS, and Pixel Experience. Out of that, I find tons of customization only in this OS. So this is one of the factors. And guys, since this is a Pi ROM, this has to have that pill gesture, which you find in the stock Google devices. So in order to enable that, and my review, in my installation video, I didn't find that option. So when I went through it, I found it in the navigation section, in the folder of gestures. So that option is available as swipe up on home button, which enables you to enable the pill gesture, which you can use. As you can see, this is the pill that you got, and the additional back button, which you can use it when you are within the applications. So one tap is for going for home, and swipe up for the recents, and one more swipe to go to the main menu. This also works like a recent button as well as app drawer guys. So when you're in a home state, first when you swipe up the pill, you will get this recents button, and when you swipe once more, then you'll get the apps or the app tray opener. So this is basically regarding the navigation gestures guys. So now I'm temporarily disabling it for the time being. So let's go back, and these are some of the more customizations that you can find under this section, which you can do as per your display. It also has ambient display, but only for the notification purpose it's good guys, because for the lift up, wake up to rise, and those functions are not so accurate. I don't know for what reason, but it's not so good. It's not working so well, so better not to try about that. And that's it. The customization section is filled with tons of customization guys, so no issues with regarding that, and you'll feel happy to do more customizations. And you'll find many stuffs to explore on yourself if you go into these settings. Since I don't have much time to go into this, so I will be going through only the basic customizations which I want to, like changing the battery style. I changed it into circular, the one, and you can change it according to the text or something which you want. So this is regarding the customization guys, and second thing which I like about this. And third thing I like is the battery performance. Yes guys, the battery life on this device is very good. I was testing it for more than 1 day, and I found the battery to be most aggressive in terms of performance. Like though it manages the background applications, it every time when I keep the apps in background, it takes a time to reload it for a time being, and then it loads it, because if the app is previously open, but also it reloads after a minute or couple of minutes. So that is what which I found con in that. But yes, battery life is good, and if you're concerned about more of the background applications, then it might sound a bit weird for you. But if you are a battery lover and if you want to get on with the battery for a whole day, then this will be easily lasting for you more than a day, not a day, more than a day. And if you surf YouTube, web, listen to music, stream media content, etc., then it might easily last for you for a single day. So this is the third pro that I like in this device about the battery performance. And coming to the fourth point is the performance. Yes guys, the previous one is the battery performance and this is the device performance. Yes guys, while using this ROM, I didn't find any issues regarding the performance. There were no lags, literally speaking. It was as smooth as a butter. Not like Pixel devices, but yes, you can expect this much better than the MIUI's lags. So guys, this now the ROM seems to be new because I have flashed many times, like again and again. The reason for doing that I'll be telling you in the con section, and I'll be telling the solution for that problem also. I'll be posting a video regarding the problem and its solution. So the fourth thing is the performance, guys. Yes, the performance is so good and I didn't find any issues and lags regarding the performance. And fifth thing is the navigation section. Yes guys, I was telling about that, and this pie gestures work very well with respect to that aspect. I didn't mention it in this what we call navigation section, but I thought of giving it as a separate pro because the navigation, this was the pill was working so fine that I didn't find any issues whenever I was using. I didn't find any lags, any stoppage or any sort of crashing in this. It was working all the times when I wanted to test it, and it made me happy. So guys, no issues with regarding that, and you'll feel like you're using actual Pixel device with some extra customizations. So this is regarding the pro section, guys, and now let's move on to cons. So guys, a device which is perfect in one thing will have a defect, obviously. So this ROM also has some defects with regarding the con section. So now we'll be discussing about that. And the first thing is the fingerprint issue, guys. This was the problem that I was talking in the pro section also, that the reason for flashing the ROM so many times is the fingerprint itself, guys, because the fingerprint is not working. Like I'll just show you a demo, guys. Yeah, location and finger. Let's check the fingerprint. Yes, click on next, and when you confirm the pattern and I take it to my hand, and as you can see, the fingerprint is not working. Sorry guys, let me just turn off the torch. So the fingerprint is not working, as you can see. It's not even recognizing my finger. And this is due to some bug that I have faced, because when I read the XDA forum page, then I came to know that there is a bug with regarding this. So that's why the fingerprint is not working. And I'll be posting a video regarding this fingerprint issue, guys. And yes, I have done it. I got the fingerprint working, but for the sake of giving a demo to you, I just reinstalled the OS once again, so that you will be having a clear idea about how to do that. I'll be doing a separate video regarding this fingerprint issue. For that sake, I have reinstalled the OS with the default mode. When you what the situation will you face when you are installing this device. So when you are installing this OS for the first time, then this fingerprint might not work, guys. So for that sake, I reinstalled it again, and I'll be posting a video regarding that issue in the later part. So this is one of the con section, guys. And second thing I didn't like is the video calling option, guys. Yes guys, since this has VoLTE support, but carrier video calling is not being currently supported. When I try to call any person with regarding to the video, then it is not even connecting it. It is just showing the call ended, which now I can't show you right now. But yes, I did face that issue, and I thought it's worth mentioning it, because nowadays video calling has become the most major feature that everyone will be commonly using. So I thought of sharing it with you, and that is the one issue that I was facing with the calling feature. So these are the major cons that I found in this device, guys, and there are no major cons apart from these. So this is the complete review about the CR Droid OS which I installed on my Redmi Note 5. And coming to the verdict, I'll tell that I can give 9 out of 10 rating for this OS, guys, because one rating I reduced it because due to the calling feature, and the fingerprint which initially was not working, or the fingerprint is now fixed. I'll be showing you, and the calling feature might get an update in the next version, guys, so let's hope for that. And apart from these two, everything works fine, guys. It's just like a piece of butter, no issues. You can use it as a daily driver and you will feel happy and you will feel worth using this device if you install the CR Droid OS. So that's it for this review, guys. This is Saipan signing off. If you ended up liking this video, please hit that like button and also the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time when I upload a new video. So that's it for this video, guys. This is Saipan signing off once again, and I hope to see you in my next video.